Doorbell cameras can be found outside many homes nowadays. It's a perfect way to scare away criminals from entering your home. But doorbell cameras can also capture other weird and crazy moments happening by your front door. In today's video we will take a look at the 20 craziest things caught on doorbell camera. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. This man is probably the worst delivery driver ever. This is why you should clean the snow off your roof.
I almost died!
If she left the house only a couple of seconds earlier, she would have been a snowman.
Can't feel my legs! Those are my legs. Oh, hey, do me a favor, grab my butt! Oh, that feels better.
Jokes aside, I'm glad it didn't fall on top of her. Some people are just too dedicated. And when this giant bear was standing in the way of the house, it didn't stop this Amazon driver from making his delivery.
Stop right now. There's a bear right there. There is a bear right there. That's a bear. Back away. Go back to your car. That's fine.
This boy's reaction to the first snow will melt your heart.
No way. It's snowing. It's finally snowing. Let's go! It's finally snowing. Yes!
When being thick on a doorbell camera goes wrong.
That's every Saturday. Period. Why would you grab me though?
This guy was relieved when finally being able to let it all out after a long day with his new girlfriend. Christmas came early for these kids, as their gift from mom was found. The box was too heavy for her to lift to move from the porch, so thinking quickly, she threw a sheet over it and hoped for the best. Holiday season is especially busy for delivery drivers, so this homeowner wanted to express her appreciation for their hard work by leaving a basket of snacks outside. And this is the delivery driver's reaction.
They be leaving snacks. Hey, they leaving snacks and everything. Hey, I'm about to give me snacks and everything. Ooh, and they got the Capri Sun. Hey.
Here's another homeowner who wanted to show his mail carrier a little appreciation by giving her a special gift, and the woman burst into tears.
Thank you. Thank you for everything you have done for everyone. taking the climb. Thank you.
Sometimes it's the small things that go a long way. Check out this neighbor having a total freak out.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Apparently, it's not just people who steal packages. Watch this FedEx guy throw a brand new flat panel TV over the fence. The TV probably broke, but he did at least deliver it. Here's another delivery driver who doesn't care if the package gets completely destroyed while delivering it. But this time he is confronted.
From my driveway, I've got it on video. Right now. This is how not. So why are you stopping me and telling me this, man? I'm telling you right now, dude. This guy's nuts. I'm letting everyone know, alright? Alright. I'll just ask you to make sure your stuff is right in case I gotta send it back. I'll make sure it's right. What is that, man? How long do you work for UPS?
All it took was a game of fetch for this man to accept that their Labrador puppy was growing out of her lapdog face.
Are you okay?
Oh, I hit my head on the
This is why people have dogs. Here's one of the dumbest criminals ever. The thief breaks into a car right in front of its owner.
Hey! Hey! What do you do? Bubba, is that your car? Someone just got in the car. Can I call you back? Hey!
This guy somehow forgot to put his car in park, and this happened.
Oh, it's... Holy sh**.
These guys just had the best night ever.
You got a piece of cutter. It's fucking perfect. You got a piece of cutter. It's fucking perfect.
This dog doesn't need an owner. He's the owner of himself. And to end this video, we have a heartwarming reunion with a missing family dog. Their dog had been missing for 3 days, but thanks to an elderly couple who found him and brought him back home, they were finally reunited.
We're glad to help.
We're glad to help. He's lovely now.
Serious.
God, for 4 days.
You're gone for 4 days? Oh my
You know,
God.
we've been posting everywhere. You have no idea. My kids and I have
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to Novella. Goodbye.